Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to call the
Good
docket
morning.
February the 2nd, 2022. First case, 608-943, State versus Edwin Benitez, attorney. Alberto Acevedo.
Present, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Benitez.
Good morning.
Albert Acevedo. No response at this time. We'll wait for him. 615-738, State versus John Centeno, attorney. Dylan George. John Centeno. Absent. Dylan George, likewise, no response. 620-523, State versus Jared Hernandez, attorney. Kevin Stryker.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm Jarrett Hernandez.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Your attorney is not present.
Yes, Judge. This is Attorney Kevin Stryker here, Judge.
Okay.
We've already signed the pretrial diversion agreement, the contract, and so the case should be being dismissed any day now. So we've already submitted the contract back to Beatrice, and so if we can just maybe get a week or two, I would imagine this case would be resolved by then with him being on the pretrial diversion program.
All right, we'll recall it in 2 weeks.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
2 weeks. Thank you, Judge. Stay in touch, Jared.
Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you.
624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez, attorney. Catherine Valenzuela. Veronica Gutierrez, is that
No, Judge, that case is going to get reset for a plea.
reset for plea? All righty. Thank you, ma'am. 628-656, State versus Ryan Medina, attorney. Les Sahanovich.
Resetting that one for trial.
All right, thank you, ma'am. 632-814, State versus Kelvin Hagan, attorney. David Hardaway.
We're present with counsel, Judge. Mr. Hagan is also in the room. I see him online. He's in the black mask and the black shirt, I believe. I don't know if you can find him on your screen. We're asking for a reset on that case at this time, Your Honor. I've been in contact with Ms. Haas about a discovery issue. She's responded to me on that, so we're working on getting that ironed out. Until we do that, I don't think we're ready really to make a move one way or the other. If I could get 30 days or whatever the court standard reset period is, I would appreciate it.
You want to get 30 days? I'll be resetting you 30 days. If the need be, I can give you 30 days to do, but I don't think so.
I'll go with the first one, Judge, if it's all the same with you.
All right. Have a good day. Stay safe.
You too, Judge. May we be excused?
You're excused. Thank you, sir. 632.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Take care. Stay safe. 632-893, State versus Rocky Aregui. And the attorney is Jaime Aldape.
Good morning,
Mayor,
Judge. I'm here and Mr. Jareggi is here as well. We're asking for a reset, Your Honor. I've got some additional discovery issues, and we're also trying to get an affidavit from the complainant, Your Honor.
All righty. Let's see. Rocky, how do you pronounce your last name?
Howdy.
Aregui. All righty.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Y'all are excused. Let's see. Let's give you 30-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May we excuse, Your Honor?
You are excused. Take care.
Take care.
Stay safe.
Judge, if I may, Mr. Edwin Benitez was the first one on the docket. I jumped in a minute late, Judge, but can I approach you on that?
Yes, sir.
On Mr. Benitez, can you just put that on the trial docket, Your Honor?
I can and I have. Ms. Flores, put that on the product.
Okay, April 1st.
Thank you, Ms. Flores.
You're welcome.
You have a good day, Your Honor.
Take care. Stay safe, Albert. 638-264, State versus Elizabeth Nicole Isaacs, attorney. Patricia Vieira. Elizabeth Isaacs.
Judge, this one's gonna get reset.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Flores.
You're welcome.
639-534. State versus Devin Martin, attorney. Jonathan Watkins.
Good morning, Judge. Can you hear me okay?
Yes, sir.
Buenos dias, Senor West. This one, Judge, we've been in conference with the state. They made an offer. We're rejecting that. We'd like a trial setting, please, Your Honor.
A trial setting, you say?
Yes, sir.
All right, set the trial.
Yes, sir. And he's present, Judge, under iPhone. It's my client.
Yes, I'm here as well.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Y'all take care of you. Stay safe.
Jonathan,
Yes,
April 1st, Jonathan.
Yes, ma'am. And gracias, Linda. Thank you, Judge. You have a good day, sir.
Thank you
Stay
again.
safe. Y'all take care. 650-117, State versus Zachary Martinez Crumpton, and the attorney is Christopher Castro.
President Judge, I don't see that my client's logged in. He might be in the courtroom. I know he's had issues with Zoom in the past.
All right, well, we'll mark him absent for right now, but make sure he checks in with us when he arrives.
Okay, Judge, and I'd like to confer.
You are number one to confer, sir. 650-833, State versus Samantha Chavez, indicated as a fugitive, attorney Edward Piper Jr.
Yeah, I'm here and she's cleaned that fugitive issue up. She's not a fugitive any longer.
Great.
And I'd like to talk to the prosecutor, please.
You're number two to confer, Mr. Piker.
Thank you.
Is your client here?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, she
Very
is.
good. Thank you, ma'am. 652-637, State versus Luis Sanchez, attorney Monica Kirala.
I'm right here, Judge.
Mr. Sanchez, I don't see you, but there you go.
I'm
All
shaking.
right, good morning, Mr. Sanchez.
Good
Monica
morning, sir.
Kirala. Attorney Monica Kirala is marked, no response. Stick around and wait for her, Mr. Sanchez.
I appreciate it, Judge. Thank you.
654-297, you're welcome, sir. Mark Gonzalez, no attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez. Have you hired an attorney?
I haven't yet. I had an attorney last court date, and she had retired or left County Court 5, and so I've been talking with the receptionist at County Court 5 to get a new public attorney.
Okay. We'll be talking to you after a while. Ms. Flores will visit with you. Stick around. 656-396, State versus James Cameron, attorney Jeffrey Martinez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mr. Cameron's present.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Jeffrey, what you gonna be doing?
Would ask to be in line to confer, Your Honor, and then ask Mr. Cameron to be able to be excused this morning.
Mr. Cameron, what?
For him to be excused.
Okay, Mr. Cameron?
Yes, sir.
At your attorney's request, I'm going to excuse you for the rest of the day. You stay in close contact with Mr. Martinez, you hear?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you.
656-768. State versus Brandon Hatfield. Attorney Robert Marr II.
Judge, that's a motion to suppress and it's gotten reset.
All right. Thank you, ma'am.
Mhm.
657-654, State versus Christopher Dominguez. Attorney Raimundo Aleman.
This is Christopher Dominguez, Your Honor, and Mr. Aleman is in another felony court case. But we already signed the contract for the PTD deferment program, and we're just getting ready to be assigned now. So they said it'll take anywhere from 2 to 3 weeks to be assigned, but that's it. And Mr. Aleman, he called me today, but he said he won't be on because he's in court.
All right. Ms. Flores, did he contact you on that?
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna reset this, what, 21 days?
Okay, 21 days.
All right, Mr. Dominguez, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too, stay safe. 660381, State versus Jared Rivera, attorney. Alberto Rodriguez, the G-Man. Good morning, Albert. Whoa, you got a bad connection, sounds like. Sounds like a bad connection. Can you hear me? What are you doing this morning, Albert?
Excuse to answer.
Albert, do me a favor. Close down and reconnect. As soon as you do, I'll get back to you because there's a bad connection. We're really having a hard time with your voice. Ms. Flores, as soon as you see him reappear, we're good. We'll come back to him.
Okay.
Judge, this is Tim
Albert,
Roundtree.
you want to confer?
Judge, I think that Mr. Rodriguez has his volume turned up too loud on his microphone. That's kind of what it sounds like.
Albert, turn your volume down on your microphone. Albert Rodriguez, can you hear me? Okay, turn your volume down. That's what somebody suggested that. Maybe that'll work. Can you hear me now, Albert?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, we still got a problem. What do you want to do this morning?
You hear me?
I hear you, but it's garbled. What do you want to do this morning?
I'd like to go to 15 and come back.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you, Albert. All right, 660-739. Patricio, let's see, Rojas Aparicio. Jonathan Rojas Aparicio, the attorney is Ronald Zimmerman.
I am present, Judge, and I do not see him here. I did speak to him yesterday, late afternoon, and I will call him and inquire as to why he's not on the board.
All right, sir.
Present in court, Judge. Also, if I may speak to the state, please.
Absolutely. You'll be number, what is he, Linda?
I think number 5, 4 or 5. Hold on, I will tell you right now. He is number 4.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And I will give Mr. Aparicio a phone call.
662-690, State versus Christopher Cuellar, attorney, Griffin Hill.
That one is going to be reset for a plea, Judge.
Okay. 665-027, State versus Luis Carlos Cruz, attorney, Timothy Roundtree.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
Good
This
morning,
is Tim
Tim.
Roundtree.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I don't see my client logged in.
I'm marking him absent for right now. Are you going to confer? What are you going to do?
I would like to confer.
I'm going to mark you number 5 for conferring. Meantime, if your client shows up, make sure you know. 665-791, State versus Rosalinda Ortiz, attorney John Perez Jr.
Here on that, Judge, we conferred. There was an offer. There was some discovery that was sent to us due to COVID hitting my office pretty heavily. I haven't been able to download that discovery and go over it with my client. If I can get a 30-day reset, Judge, that'll be plenty of time to get my staff, who's now healthy, to download the discovery and go over those videos with Ms. Ortiz.
Which one of you started the COVID in your office?
I would say it's my wife, Judge, because she has this nasty little thing about getting COVID every Christmas. She's now got it 2 Christmases in a row. It's about to be a tradition.
All right, well, we're gonna reset you 30 days. Take care, stay safe, and stay out of my office.
Yes, sir, Judge. Ms. Ortiz, you can feel free to log out. I'll get you
All
your
right.
court date.
March 3rd.
March 3rd. Perfect.
675-306, State versus Christopher Vasquez, attorney. Bertram Wood III.
Mr. Wood is running late.
All righty. Mr. Vasquez is in jail, so we know where he's at. 676-253, State versus Shirley Bonner. No attorney. 656-253, State versus Shirley Bonner. Ms. Bonner is absent at this time. 676627, State versus Yahurta Sumziane. And the attorney is Matthew Gilbert.
I'm here, Your Honor. My client, I believe, should be logged on.
He's in court.
In the courtroom.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
It's a he.
Is that Deputy Tovar or who is it?
Yes, sir. It's Deputy Tovar again. I'm sorry.
All right. Thank you, sir. All right. There is no file, Mr. Gilbert. So what are you going to do this morning?
I'll just wait till it gets filed, I guess, Judge.
All right. We'll reset it. Let's see. Let's go 60 days. See if we can get a file done by then.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
Judge, Chris
Deputy,
Castro.
Deputy suggests to the lady that she has to stay in close touch with Mr. Gilbert and that she is excused. Mr. Gilbert, did you want to visit with your client?
I spoke to him yesterday, Judge. I can give him a call here in a bit.
It's a gentleman. I'm sorry. All right. Tell the gentleman, Deputy Tovar.
Yes, sir. I will take care of that. Thank you.
Thank you. 676647, State versus Ricardo Naje. And the attorney is Eric Hernandez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Is that for Ricardo Porcadilla?
Okay, Porcadilla Naje?
That's yes, Your Honor. I have no contact with him. I didn't know if he showed up today or not. So
He is in the court, sir. He's
okay,
right
if I could confer with the state and then also meet with Mr. Nahe before he leaves today.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. You are
Number 6.
scheduled to confer, sir. One add-on in jail. 666948. State versus Ruben Gonzalez, attorney. Eddie Bravenek. Ruben Gonzalez is marked absent. Eddie Bravenek, no response.
Mr. Gonzalez is on, Judge. He is right here where it says CC5 Gonzalez, the inmate. And
Okay,
Mr. Bravenek is running late.
all right. Okay, that is the docket for this morning. Attorney, any attorney need to check in?
Yes, Ed Piker's back from breakout.
Ed Piker.
Samantha Chavez, so page 2.
Yes, sir.
We've been given an offer, which I'd like a reset so I can get my client in here, talk about the offer and go over the video.
Okay, how about 30 days?
That would be fine.
Okay.
March the 3rd.
All right, Linda, let me check with you on that. Yeah, March 3rd. Sounds good.
All right, Ed, take care, stay safe.
Yeah,
Am I
you as well.
excused?
Yes, call me, Samantha.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have a good day.
Do, stay safe. All right, anyone else need to check in or announce?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir. Dylan George on
Dylan George.
John Centeno. He's the second one on the docket. I believe he's in custody.
Yes, sir, he did not respond at this point.
I understand he was just arrested, Judge, about 2 days ago.
Is he in jail?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, if he's in jail, we know where he's at, but he can't show up today on, at least not on. What do you want to do on your case, Mr. George?
I'd like to confer, Judge.
All right. I'll list you to confer. You're scheduled. Excuse me. Attorneys, anyone else want to check in?
Yes, Judge. Chris Castro.
Mr. Castro.
I'm here on Mr. Martinez Crumpton. He has since logged in. State
Case number, make it not quicker.
50117.
Which 50?
It's on page 2, Judge.
It's 60, huh?
650.
50117, Judge.
There you go. Gotcha. All right, Mr. Martinez Crumpton, you were late, but you're here, and that's more important. All right, Chris, what do you were listed number 1 to confer. Have you conferred already?
Yes, I conferred. State needs more time to gather the restitution amount, Judge. They had offered a restitution of any plea, but from my experience, those tend to backfire.
Okay.
So we're just asking 30 days so that they can get the restitution numbers and see where we're going to go from there.
About 3 weeks. Let's make it 30 days. That'll do it.
March 3rd.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. You want to choose, take care of yourself. Excuse me. I think me and Albert Rodriguez are having trouble with our voices. Albert, you back in? Talk to me. Damn it, you've something wrong with your system. Can you chat? You know how to chat? Yes. Chat me whatever it is you're saying right now. Type it in, Albert. Chat. Are you getting anything, Linda?
No.
And then, Your Honor, I'm back from conferring Jeffrey Martinez. If I can make an announcement when you have a minute.
Go ahead.
I have a James Cameron. He's a 656.
I got it.
Okay. I'm gonna ask for a reset, Your Honor. State's working on getting me over an offer.
Just give him 35 days, Linda.
Okay. It's March the 9th.
That would be wonderful.
Okay.
All right. You're excused, Mr. Martinez. Take care.
Thank you. Have a good morning. Thank you.
Alberto Rodriguez.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Yes, but it's very garbled. Okay, I'm having trouble with my mic. Go, take it easy, slowly. Are you there? Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Linda, can you understand him?
No, sir, I can't understand him.
It's real garbled, Albert. Take the headphones off. Let's see if we can do it without them. Okay, it's not the headphones. There's something wrong. Okay. Well, you're the epitome of my often repeated expression: to err is human, forgive divine, but to really screw up, we need computers. Sure, well. Okay. There you go. Okay, I'm almost hearing you, Albert. What are you doing with that thing? Is there an adjustment on there? I just bought this yesterday. It doesn't seem to work fine. Is there an adjustment on the volume? Because it seems like
I
it's
believe it's the volume.
try the volume, turn it way down or something on your volume on those headpieces. They have a adjustment. No, it's still. Can you unplug that? Sir? Can you unplug that? Oh, I can, but it doesn't sound good. I'll try that. Will you listen to me now? I can hear you some. Okay, because it's my laptop mic that is out. So I have to purchase a handset. But this one, I just bought it and it's not working. Albert, do us all a favor. Call in to Linda Flores at 335-2172. Okay. 335-2172. Give her the announcement and we'll try to proceed from there. Did you want to confer? Can you say yes or no on that? Did you want to confer on this? No? We have an offer. Okay, all right. Call in to Linda on phone. All right, who else? Bertram, I see you.
Yes, sir. Judge, my client has a felony arising of the same episode. And the last time I talked to your ADA, they wanted to see that play out a little bit.
What's the case number, Bertram?
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, Judge. 675306. Vasquez, Christopher Vasquez.
There it is. So what do you want to do with this?
Judge, if we could send him down the road about 30 days and I'll try to get the 399th to tell me what they want to do.
Why don't we reset you 40 days then, since it's a felony pending?
Thank you, Judge. Thank you very much.
Okay, Linda, reset Mr. Vasquez 40 days.
Okay, March 21st, Mr. Wood.
Okay, thanks, Linda.
You're welcome.
Take care, Bertram. Stay safe.
Good to see you, Judge. Thank you. Good to see you, Linda.
You too.
Attorneys who wish to announce. Anybody else?
Your Honor, I'm here, but I just looked and I think this is the docket for tomorrow. So I want you to know I'm a day early. It never happened. I'm never early.
I will note that you are very early today, Ms. Lemon.
And my client, one of them for tomorrow is on, but I'll just tell him to come back tomorrow.
Okay, sorry about that.
Sorry, bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day and take care.
Okay.
Anybody else need to check in? Ron, you okay?
Yes, Judge. Don't need to really check in, but I would like to approach to inform the court as to the outcome of my conference with the state.
All right, sir. Case number?
Be case number, well, there's 4 of them, but the first one would be 660-739, and that would be on page 3 towards the top. Jonathan Rojas Aparicio.
Right. Okay. He did not show up yet. Is he showed up now?
Actually, he is here, Judge.
I see him on there, Mr. Rojas Aparicio.
Yes, sir. I had problems with my connection, but I was able to go right now, and right now it's telling me I can't access the cameras. I have to turn the privacy settings on. So just
Did you, Mr. Rojas Aparicio, did you buy your system from the same place that Albert Rodriguez did?
No, sir. Is it doing the same thing?
No, he's having trouble. I'm just being.
Oh.
All right. Ronald, what you got?
Judge actually got the state said that they would go ahead and submit or tender dismissals for all 4 cases to the court today.
Over your strenuous objection, I know.
Oh, Judge, boy, I wore myself hoarse complaining about that.
Hey, Ron, good work. You take care of yourself and stay safe. Okay.
All right. Thank you, Judge. If we may be excused.
You and your client are both excused. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
Yes.
my name is Luis Sanchez, and I got a text from my lawyer. She says she's in Gillespie Court and that she's going to log in as soon as she can. She let the DA know that she was going to be a little late.
A little late.
Yes, Judge.
I presume she's on Zoom then, huh?
I believe so, yes.
Who's your attorney?
Monica Corella.
Voila. There it is. Okay, I'll note on there she's late. We'll have to wait for her, son.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, sir. You take care. Stick around, wait for her to appear.
Yes, sir.
Buddy, this is Tim Roundtree. I'm back.
Tim Roundtree.
Hi, Judge. My case is on page 3, but my client has not appeared and I haven't reached him yet. I have conferred.
Very good. Tim Roundtree. No client. Mr. Cruz, Luis Carlos.
Correct, Judge. I will try to get him, Judge.
Okay, make sure you get him in. Meantime, I will excuse you personally and keep trying to get him in, all right?
I will, Judge. Thank you.
I don't want to put a failure to appear on him, but of course I will if I have to.
I know, Judge. Thank you.
Take care. Stay safe.
You too.
Linda, did you hear from Alberto Rodriguez?
Rodriguez? No, sir, I haven't yet.
I thought he was going to call you.
Yeah, he hasn't yet.
Well, call him.
Okay, let me call him.
Anybody else need to announce? This docket has been flying through, huh? So far, knock on wood.
Hello, sir. This is Jonathan Rojas. I just want to say that I was kicked out when I tried to start the video permission, the privacy, and I was back in now. I put the video permissions for the app, and it kicked me out of the room, but I just joined back right now.
Very good. All right. Hang around till your attorney and I let you go.
Yes, sir.
Jonathan, your attorney was Ronald Zimmerman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I guess you didn't hear when he said that all of your cases are gonna be dismissed.
That's great news.
Yes, it is. So you're free, young fella. You're through for the day, and be sure you get a hold of Mr. Zimmerman and thank him because he got all 4 of them dismissed.
Yes, sir.
And I did try calling Mr. Rodriguez and he didn't answer, Judge.
Pa acabar la fregada.
And we have one plea. And it's on Mr. Gonzalez, the inmate. So I've sent the paperwork. We just gonna have to wait until it all.
Which case number is that?
It's the add-on, Judge. 666-948. And Mr. Brabennick is running late,
Let me
so
know when we're ready for
I will.
the Adobe on my side of it.
Okay.
I've got a bunch of stuff sitting in Adobe that are incomplete because the defendant has not signed, by the way.
Okay, I'll look into those today.
Okay,
Yeah,
Approach it.
Hello.
Dylan George, reporting back on John Centeno, 615-378. The state doesn't have their file, they're unable to give me an offer today. So I was hoping we could get a quick reset give them time to put that together.
1 or 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Judge.
We call 2 weeks. Think I know where your defendant will be.
I'm thinking so too, Judge.
February 17th.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe excuse, Judge?
You're excused, Mr. George. Stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor. You too.
I got to. I'm the only one of me that I have.
Your Honor,
Yes. Yes. That completes page 1, by the way, Linda.
Yes, it does.
Someone was trying to address me. Who is it?
yes, Rala here. I apologize, I was late. I'm over here in Gillespie County doing it.
You don't need to apologize. Your client informed me that are you there personally, physically, or are you on Zoom?
Yes, sir, physically.
Whoa, what? Oh, how lucky you are, huh?
Yes, sir.
Where is Gillespie County? I'm drawing blanks.
It's in Fredericksburg.
Okay.
Yeah.
I got you. It's a nice place to visit sometimes. Like I said, sometimes.
Yes, sir.
So what you got?
So I'm here with Mr. Sanchez. We had a plea offer and we were waiting for an immigration letter. We did receive the letter. I forwarded it to the prosecutor, Ms. Haas. I'm not sure that she's had an opportunity to review it. Maybe she has. But if we can get a reset so that I can connect with her on the phone and kind of discuss what we might be able to agree to.
Did you say there's a felony?
No, Judge, it's an immigration letter. It's a Padilla letter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. How about 2 weeks? Will that work for you?
Yes, sir, that'll be fine. Now, I didn't, is she in a conference room somewhere or is she in another court?
No, she's here. But she's conferring at this point. The conferring has gone quite quickly. If you can remain available, we can probably put you together.
Okay, sure. May my client be excused? I apologize. I know he's been waiting for half an hour.
Mr. Sanchez?
Hold on.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge.
Your attorney has asked that I release you. I will do that, but you stay in close communication with her. She'll be
Absolutely,
conferring
Judge.
with the state concerning your case.
Absolutely, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Miss Monica, did you want to go ahead and confer, you said?
Yes, ma'am. I'll stick around and confer.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Might be pretty quickly. Has Eric Hernandez conferred already, or is he conferring? Linda?
He's conferring, Judge.
Okay.
Mark Gonzalez.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my phone number. Can you please call me so we can talk about getting you an attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my number is 210.
All right, let me write this down. Okay.
335
Okay.
2172.
All right, got it.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Ron, just a second. Linda, are you, you're resetting Mr. Gonzalez then, right?
Mr. Gonzalez will be reset. Yes, once I talk to him and see about the attorney. Yes.
Very good. Okay, who seeks to approach?
That would be me, Your Honor. How are you?
Eric Hernandez, yes, sir.
I spoke with Ms. Haas. If I could speak with Mr. Nahe in a breakout room, I don't know if the court has capabilities to put him in a breakout room with me.
Of course, yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. I think I'm still assigned to 6. I don't know if you want me to go back there or not.
Yeah, is he in the courtroom? Mr.
He's in the
Hayden?
courtroom. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will put the virtual CC5 in what courtroom? I mean, I'm sorry, what break room were you in?
I believe I'm in 6.
Okay, I'll look and see. Yes, I'm gonna put him in 6 with you.
I'll go back there. Thank you, ma'am.
Be sure and report back when you're through, sir.
Yes, sir.
Linda, 639534 on page 2. He asked for a trial setting, right?
63.
639534.
Yes. Jonathan, yes, I gave him April 1st.
I think that completes page 2, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
These with Albert Rodriguez and Tim Roundtree. I think Tim has already pretty well done everything, but
Yeah, he's at the
this
person
client
is
is not showing
FPA. Yeah. And then on page 4, it's just we're just waiting on Mr. Hernandez. Here we go. Let's see. Mr. Rodriguez is logging back
Ms.
on.
Bonner is a failure to appear so far, huh? On page 4.
Yes, yes. Nope.
El Ruidoso. Albert, call Linda on your phone. 335-2172.
Okay.
Please. You sound like an old bear. Kayleen, how are you today?
Good morning, Judge. Doing well. Just watching the weather forecast.
Yeah, it's supposed to start raining around midday or something.
Yeah, and then icy tomorrow. And you know us Texans, we don't do well with that kind of stuff.
No, we sure as hell don't. Maricela, how are you doing? I see you here too with us. It looks like we're not going to do anything today.
Yes, Judge, I'm doing good. How are you?
Did you check on Representative Martinez Fisher's case?
Linda was going to talk to me about that case, Your Honor. So I had not talked to Trey about it yet, the attorney, but it was a pre-MTR compliance hearing.
Okay. No, he reported that he was told that everything was okay, that the guy had straightened out. That's
Oh,
what
well.
I'm looking to get that verified.
Okay, Judge, I'll take a look at it and see. I'll ask the PO.
Yeah, he told me he had talked to the probation officer, Ralph Garza, in January and said something about because of him being diabetic or something and something about the UAs or something, but that everything was okay or something. So.
All right, good. Linda, what does our friend Albert say?
Albert, Mr. Rodriguez asked for 2 weeks, so I reset him to February 17th.
Mr. Rodriguez, you are reset till February 17th. Now get your computer straightened out, my friend. You are muted right now, Albert. Miss Kerala,
Yes, sir.
what's happening?
I conferred with Miss Haas. I'm gonna have to talk to Denisa, and she said 2-week reset would be sufficient. You come back February. Did I just hear?
The 17th, yes.
Okay.
What page is that on?
That is on page 2, 652, 637.
There it is. Okay, 2 weeks.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Enjoy
Thanks.
your setting. It's going to get nasty later, so try to get out of there as soon as you can.
Or I will. Thank you.
Take care. Page 3 is clear,
Yes,
with the exception of Mr. Roundtree's client.
yes. Page 4 will be clear once Mr. Hernandez, I don't know what happened to him.
I think I saw him.
Yeah, I think something happened. I guess he's gonna be logging on pretty soon.
Then the only thing we'll have left is Robin next plea whenever he gets here.
Whenever he gets here, yes.
Have
And
we got everything? Have we got everything signed on him?
Yeah, well, not yet, sir, because I sent it a little while ago because he's incarcerated, so we couldn't get anything signed until today from the defendant.
Linda,
Yes, sir.
I've got 9 files on Adobe that I cannot sign. They're all jammed up.
You're okay.
They have pre-packets, all of them, but they're all unsigned by the defendant. And-
By the
and
defense.
these-
Oh, okay, I'll send reminders.
I see a couple of them that are, from last month. Let's see. January the 12th. Fabian Jeremy de la Garza, or de la Rosa, whatever the name is.
Okay, okay.
And then one January the 6th was Dennis Henry. And then,
Oh, that one we don't have to worry about, but okay.
okay, how do I remove it from here?
I'll ask and find out. And that was on January 6th. Okay,
Yeah,
I'll see if I can delete them.
okay, that's 629-489. It's the case number.
Okay,
There's one from January 18th, Christopher Carlos, somebody other. That's 667-800.
okay. 18th, okay.
The rest of them are out. There's a bunch of them still that they're unsigned.
Okay. I will start sending reminders
Okie dokie.
since we are done.
Who's waiting for us? This is Mr. Gonzalez. That's Eric Hernandez's case.
Yes. I don't know what happened to, what's the last one on page 4? I don't know what happened to that one. To Mr. Gonzalez, Mr. Hernandez. Let me try calling him.
Okay. The reports are that it's going to be really nasty tomorrow. At least in the morning.
Your Honor, may I approach? I'm ready to announce on Nahi.
Eric Hernandez.
Yes, sir. I've conferred with the state twice, conferred with my client. We are on the last page of the docket.
Yes, sir. I know
676647.
You're the last one in the regular docket with one add-on after you. ¿Qué pasó?
We are asking for a 30-day reset, Your Honor. This case will likely be going to trial, but we need to complete discovery. I've spoke with Ms. Haas. There are some outstanding discovery issues, so we'd like to keep it on the pretrial docket just to make sure we get that resolved before setting it for trial.
Now, you do have a felony pending, right?
If he does, I am not aware of it.
Case
I know he
number-
had
No, Judge, it's an old case.
the 2020 felony, Your Honor.
Yeah.
No, Your Honor, I looked at that this morning. He served 30 days on that. I don't know why it's not closed.
Okay, well, it's carried on the docket. That's fine that it's already taken care of, so we don't have to worry about a felony pending.
Does not appear so, in my opinion.
Okay, and mine also, which is the one that counts, right?
More so than mine in this matter, yes, sir.
All right, discovery issue, reset. Let's make
30
it
days, Miss.
about
Ms. Haas
25
believes-
days, Linda.
How many?
25 or 35. Which one do you want, Eric?
Your Honor, it's completely up to the state. As long as I get the discovery,
Yeah.
20 or 35 days doesn't matter to me.
Since is he sitting in jail?
No, sir. He's in the courtroom today. He's on I believe on a PR bond.
Okay.
He's not in custody.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna give you March the 3rd. Is that good for you?
Let me check my calendar real quick. I have an immigration merits hearing that morning.
Okay, how about the 7th?
I'm in the 7th anyway for another client. 7th works great.
Okay, let's do
That's,
March 7th.
Justice Rebecca Martinez, the Chief Justice of the Fourth Court, will do. That's her birthday, so a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Nahi, you're in the courtroom. The court date we're reset to is March 7th. Did you get that, sir?
March 7th, sir, I'll let them know. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right, y'all have a good day.
You're excused. Take care.
Thank you.
Stay safe. Eric,
yes, sir.
Take care. And that takes care of the docket with two little exceptions. One is the plea for Mr. Bravanek that he is running late on and has not appeared or answered. And then the other is Mr. Roundtree's absent client.
Mhm.
Pardon me?
Yes, I'm agreeing with you, Judge.
Okay. Good idea. Ain't that right, Kayleen? She's agreeing with me. That's a good idea.
Yes, sir.
What case did you say we might have a plea on?
It's the add-on, Mr. Gonzalez, the inmate.
666-948.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't think it's on, well, it should be on yours.
It's not, but Judge
I'm-
just gave the
I'm
case
so
number,
sorry.
so we're good.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I thought I was on the add-on.
666-948, Ms. Haas.
Thank you, Judge. I don't see that I've sent anything, so I'll do that now.
Have you all worked out the details of that, Ms. Haas?
I'm mulling that over now. I think we have. I think he has quite a bit of jail credit, if I'm not mistaken. So I think it'll be at JSAT.
Is that negotiated already, or are we guessing, Ms. Haas?
No, Judge, it's been negotiated. I forgot it had been set earlier this week, and I talked to Eddie about it. So I just need to get the paperwork sent.
Okie dokie.
Your Honor, I spoke with the officer on that case on Jose Guerrero Guzman for
Yes, ma'am.
Trey. And he said he had no problem with him, that alcohol is showing in his system, but it's because of his diabetes. So he's okay with continuing him and terming him in March.
Real good. Well, you gonna recall him then, or just continue him?
No, Your Honor, there's no warrant on him because it's a compliance hearing.
Okay. Very good. Deputy Tovar,
Yes, sir.
who do we have back there in the courtroom?
He's a gentleman from yesterday. He's getting for attorney. I forgot your name. Benjamin Galvan.
Oh, he's just a little bit late, huh?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Flores?
Yes,
Linda Flores.
Judge. I have the application. That's what I'm working on right now.
All right, but there's a Benjamin Galvan in the courtroom.
Mhm.
I think the Deputy Tovar indicates that he was from yesterday's docket.
Yes, he is, and I informed him he had to be here. So that's why he's here.
All right.
And so I will mark him that he appeared today. and I will talk to him about his court-appointed attorney.
Make a note that he was a day late.
Yes,
If he does it again, he's gonna have some trouble.
okay.
Mr. Galvan? Come on up. Mr. Galvan, I'm noting that you were a day late. We're gonna make a note of that. If you're late again, you're gonna have some troubles, and there'll be some punishment. However, just stay in touch with your attorney and be sure you know the dates. And, you know, I don't expect you to tattoo it on your forehead, but make sure that people around you, family, whoever, know that it's the date that you're supposed to show up in court. So put that together, wait around a little bit, we'll give you a new date to show up.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to stay in touch with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Maricela, oh, you gotta wait because we don't know what's, well, on Eddie Brabenec, it's gonna be a JSAT is what Ms. Haas says, so you can be excused if you like.
Okay, all right, thank you, Your Honor.
You take care. Your mom doing okay?
Yes, Judge, she's okay.
All righty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Flores, try reaching out to Eddie Brabenec.
Okay, I will call him.
Tell him he's the last one here. We'd like to know what's going on.
Okay.
Excuse me, Ms. Flores.
Yes.
I was having trouble getting on the system. I had been trying to get a hold of my court-appointed attorney, and yet not to answer. My name is Jared Rivera. I have not gotten a hold of him and let him know that I'm in trouble with my.
is it Mr. Albert Rodriguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you've been reset for 2 weeks. So your next court date is February 17th.
February 17th. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Okay, Judge, I got in touch with Mr. Brabennik's office and they're gonna contact him because he's at a doctor's appointment with one of his children. So they're gonna call me back to let me know if he wants to just maybe recall this for tomorrow or Friday. And I'll let you know as soon as I get that phone call.
Alrighty. Very good. I know Mr. Gonzalez ain't going nowhere, so we'll have to just be patient. Mr. Gonzalez, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to just hang around. I know you're real busy there. So we'll wait. Linda,
Yes, Judge.
go ahead and recall Eddie's case for 2 weeks.
For tomorrow?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, there's no sense in, Mr. Gonzalez, you wanna recall it in 1 week or 2 weeks? Is this, Mr. Gonzalez, is this the only matter you've got pending? Okay, let's recall it in 1 week then.
Recall 1 week. Okay,
We'll
all
try-
righty.
We'll try to get you out of here as quickly as possible, sir. All right, take care.
Linda, after we